Okay, it's Thursday, payday. Everybody's hard at work. I think we got a new guy today. We got a new guy today?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you got a new guy, another new guy coming tomorrow?
I don't know, sir. Maybe Monday.
Monday, maybe? Okay. All right, so we're looking at the plans here. We're working on the second level in the beam. So we've made some ceiling height changes. Raised this one up and lowered this one. So the finished.
We can make it 250 ceiling.
The finished floor will be, or the ceiling will be about 250, 2.5 mm from here to here. And then this beam is going to drop down 10. And this one is now 2.75. That's 2.75 Noe from the finished floor to the ceiling, right?
Yes.
And then this beam drops down about 10 mm as well, right?
Yeah, that's all.
Okay. And so then the next floor will be, you say it's going to be 250?
Yes.
So that'll be 250, and then 250 is just about tiny bit over 8 feet. And then this one is 275, and 275 is about exactly 9 feet. And then we'll figure out this upper level. There's a very small room up here, and it's mostly roof deck and roof. So somebody was asking about seeing the actual plan. This is a cross section. That's the only thing I want to give right now. But let's get up there and see what some of the work is they've done today. 270, that's 277 is what that measures out. What's that? Yeah, 2.77, just like the blueprints show, or like what we changed it. Somehow it actually worked out exactly right. 277, and that's what we planned it at. So go figure. Anyway, that's how I envision it right now. Should be right. Well, I just want to comment a couple things here. So the guys are doing a real good job keeping this site clean. You know, it's pretty good. Actually, it's very exceptional. I'm impressed with that. You know, a clean site is a safe site, and safe site is a well-built site. So happy about that. Now, the other thing we were talking about is the ceiling height. So we're going to go ahead and we'll put some RC1 channel right on the bottom of this beam here. And we've got all this conduit that sticks through that we can run our electrical to our fixtures, and we can run it to the ceiling fixtures here, and then the electrical system for the upper floor, and we've got these ones for plumbing as well. Vent, that last one was. So we planned ahead, and looks like we've done a good job with that as well. This is the bathroom. We're going to go up 3 risers. Not here, excuse me. The landing goes that way. The stairs go that way. But the 3 risers come up right here, where this rebar is stepped up. To this landing right here, and it goes up. And then there's a powder room, half bath here. And talked about this before, but that's the dining room, kitchen, maid's bathroom, driver's room, bathroom, driver's room, maid's room. And let's get upstairs and see what that's like. Well, it's a hot one. It's 1:45, so we're almost at the hottest part of the day. If I remember correctly, the hottest time of the day is around 3 p.m. It is 89 degrees, and it's a lot more comfortable working down here because it's very shady, and it is working up here. 89 degrees, and the real feel is 10 degrees more. Makes it 99. So there's not a lot to see up here. There's a lot of scaffolding getting ready for. Good afternoon. Actually, we're getting ready for this second floor decking now. I didn't realize they poured some cement today or yesterday or something. We got this column poured. We got this column poured. Nicely done. We got this section a little bit stringed off with wire. That should help. And tying the gloves there will too. So can't hurt. Good afternoon, everybody. Where's our new guy? Right there. What's your name?
Wilfredo, sir.
What is it?
Wilfredo.
Wilfredo. Who's giving you orders? Is Carmelo? Carmelo's a good man. Sometimes. Carmelo, when did you pour these columns? Yesterday?
Yesterday.
Yesterday? Okay. Nice. You guys are making good time on this.
Saan pa na ko? Boy!
Saan pa ba? Dahil sa kasama nito yung putahan. Kilid. Narito.